How to check Nike student promo code at checkout. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial. You may follow these steps in order to use it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we can just go to Nike.com here and add specific products to our cart that we would like to purchase. After that, look out for the bag option in the top right corner or the cart option to check out. And this is our checkout page right here. We can directly find an option called promo code or discount code, which is this one right here. We can just go over and click on this option and it will provide up with this field where we can enter up the promo code. So we just need to enter up our student promo code in this box right here and click on this option called apply. And if it works, the discount will be applied directly onto the total price, usually around 10% off on eligible items. And we can basically check out with the process. Some of the products like SNKRS launches or gift cards are not eligible for student code, but you can just go over and apply it for other products. And if the code is expired or already used, it won't work. So make sure you're using the correct one. And you can just go over and enter it up and click on checkout, and that way you will be able to use the student promo code on Nike.com. And that is it everybody. You may follow out those steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.